want to see a miss and run them all. No. Alright guys, Caleb, your time to shine, buddy. So you know what you gotta do. You gotta go way back there, get a lot of speed, come right up to these people, go right up and over the top. Is the crowd ready? You gotta keep doing, go faster. What are you doing? Hey, is that what you guys wanted? You guys want to see him do it with the bike? It's with the bike. This is not with the bike. Come on, Caleb. This is not track and field. Get back there. Alright, guys. One more time. No more messing around, Caleb. Alright, guys. Let's bring them on in. 5, 4, 3, 2. Wait, you gotta go way back. Are you serious? Are you serious? What are you doing? What? No, you guys wanted to see? No!
I think we need one more person.
You know what, guys? Just to make it a little bit more exciting, I need Steve Coverson. Where's Steve Coverson? Where's he at? There he is. You know what? Just in case Caleb flips the pedal, gets a flat tire, just plain out doesn't make it, we're going to put you right on the end. Right on the end. You guys still want me to get out of there also? Alright, Caleb. You know what? I'm going to make a smart choice. I'm going to wear my helmet though. Alright? Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. You guys, this might be a great time for everyone. Raise your right hands up in the air. Some of you guys are ready. Wave goodbye for the last time. Here we go, guys. Alright, Caleb, get right back there. Everybody, bring them all in. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh man, pulling it off, big roll of applause, Caleb Martin.